In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get free Discord Nitro with Medal. Before we start, a quick note. Promotions like this can be time limited and region specific, so what you see may vary. Make sure you're signed into the correct Discord account you want Nitro on, and never share any personal codes or tokens with anyone. Begin by opening your web browser and heading to medal.tv. Medal is a platform for capturing and sharing gaming clips, and from time to time they run partner offers including Discord Nitro. Once the site loads, look toward the top right and click login. If the button says sign in, that's fine, it's the same place you want to be. On the login screen, choose the option to continue with Discord. This links your Medal account to your Discord profile, which is how the Nitro offer is verified and delivered. If your browser is currently signed into the wrong Discord account, it's worth switching to the right one first so the reward lands where you want it. A Discord authorization window will pop up asking you to grant Medal certain permissions. Take a moment to review what it's requesting so you're comfortable with it. This is standard for connecting apps to Discord. When you're ready, click authorize. You might be asked to complete a quick verification. Just follow the prompt and wait a moment while the connection finishes. After you're redirected back to Medal and fully logged in, go to your notifications inside Medal. This is usually accessible from the bell icon near the top of the page. There should be a notification or banner about claiming your free Nitro. Open that notification and click the claim button. Follow the on-screen steps to complete the claim process. In many cases, you'll be redirected to Discord to redeem the offer, and you'll see details like the duration of the Nitro and the expiration date of the claim. Be sure to redeem promptly if the notification mentions a deadline. If you don't immediately see the Nitro notification, try refreshing the page, checking again in a minute, or signing out and back in. It's also possible that eligibility windows open and close, so if it's not there today, you can check back later, and that's it. Go to medal.tv, log in, connect with Discord, authorize the connection, then head to your notifications to claim your free Discord Nitro. Enjoy the perks and happy gaming.